special live show on magic, mentalism, and marketing. I am your host, Karen Holloway, and let me tell you a little about our incredible guest. David Corsaro is a marketing executive with more than 25 years of experience. He is one of the most in-demand magicians and mentalists today. He performs for a variety of charitable organizations, and he is a proud Rowan alumnus. Prepare to have fun and be astonished. This is Rowan on Magic and Marketing. Please put your hands together for David Corsaro.
Thank you so much. This is great. I really appreciate it. It always makes me really uncomfortable when they start talking about all the things that I've done. Like, oh, he's been off Broadway, he appeared on Penn and Teller. Because all that stuff to me doesn't mean anything. Like, what does it mean, right? All it means is if you do not like what I do today, you're wrong. That's all that means. It's really simple. So I'm going to be doing what's called mentalism. Mentalism is the ability to read minds, tell the future, things like that. Now look, we're all adults in this room. You guys understand I'm not actually reading your mind, okay? What I'm doing is I'm using tricks of psychology, body language, misdirection, things like that to just give the illusion that I'm reading minds. It's not actually what I'm... What's your name? Camille, okay. Sorry, I got thrown off guard there for a second. So as I mentioned, a lot of what I do very heavily is based in psychology and body language. So body language is really interesting to me. And the way Camille is sitting right there from a body language perspective is really fascinating. She's got her right leg crossed over her left leg, but she's got her right hand crossed over her left hand crossed over her right hand. So if you knew body language, you would know exactly what she's thinking right now. I know what you're thinking, and the answer is, yes, I do work out. In fact, I can even give you a slightly better example of this. Camille, do me a favor. Camille, I want you to think of any number between 1 and 1,000. Don't say it out loud, just think of one. Any number from 1 to 1,000. Do you have one? Great. Now, right now, it's impossible for me to know what number she's thinking of. I have no idea what it is. But if I ask her some seemingly insignificant questions, it'll give me a chance to get inside your head. So I'm going to ask you a couple very random questions. Please be honest with your answers, okay? The questions will be slightly personal, not too personal, okay? I'm not going to ask how old you are. I know a lot of people hate that. How much do you weigh? I'm only kidding. What is your favorite flavor of ice cream? Chocolate. Notice she picked one that's got a little caffeine, little energy, little sugar in it. That means she's thinking of a very high number, between 1 and 1,000. Camille, if you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go? Italy. Have you ever been there before? Yes. So she went to a place that's familiar to her. That means she's thinking of an even number. Okay, Camille, I have written down my prediction of what your answer will be in a moment. You don't have to lie. I want you to be completely honest. My prediction of Camille's answer, let's see if I'm right. Camille, in a nice loud voice, yes or no, was your number 814? No. I was right. She said no. See, I knew her answer. I knew. So, okay, you guys don't believe it. Okay, fine. We'll do another example, Camille. Camille, inside this envelope, I brought a photograph of a very famous actress. I'm not going to tell you which one, but a famous actress. Do me a favor, think of any actress in the world. Don't say her name, just think of one. Do you have one? Camille, would you be amazed if the actress that you are thinking of is the same actress that I have a picture of? I would be. I would be too. Okay, here we go. Let's see if she got it right. I'm so confident this is going to blow your minds. Camille, in a nice loud voice so everybody could hear, what actress do you think I have a picture of? Jessica Biel. Ladies and gentlemen, a photograph of Jessica Biel at age 1. She was so cute. She was adorable. That's Jessica Biel. I did this one time, and somebody said Beyonce. So the point is you have to be ready for anything at this point. Give Camille a nice hand. She did a good job. All right, let's do this for real. Let's do a little bit of mind reading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a deck of cards, and I'm going to have a few different people in the audience help me out. Now, you don't have to come up here on the stage or anything like that, but we're going to try something with this deck of cards. Sir, can you just kind of hold out your hand flat for me like this? I'm going to put the cards on your hand. I'm going to turn the other way. I want you to peek at one card. It could be near the top, middle, bottom, not very top or very bottom, that's too easy. But anywhere in the middle, peek at one card, memorize it, don't forget what it is. Got one? Good, I'll take the deck back, thank you. Watch out for that there. My man right there in the white, catch. Put it flat on your hands face down, peek it anywhere you want. Top, middle, bottom, look at one card and memorize it. Got one? Good, throw it back to me. Perfect. How about right there, can you catch? Look at one card, top, middle, bottom, I don't care what it is. Got one? Yep. Throw it back. And let's get one more person. Would you mind? Sure. Look at one card, memorize it, don't forget what it is. Got one? Good. All right, so the 4 people who each looked at a card, can you all stand up? Perfect, look right at me. So every one of you looked at one card inside this deck of cards. Right now, that card you're thinking of is living in your short-term memory. Because a few moments ago, you had no idea I was going to ask you to do this. Don't forget the card. Say it a few times in your head. Excellent. Now, in addition to your short-term memory, I am also going to try to access your long-term memory, which means I want each of the 4 of you to think about something from your past that there's no way I could know what it is. Think of a person you once knew, a place you visited, something you owned that you really cared about. I don't care what, just something from your past. Do you have something in your head? Yes, 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 yes. Good. All 4 of you look right at me. Okay, listen up. When I count to 3, I want you to imagine that you're screaming both pieces of information to me. Imagine you're telling me your card and your long-term memory. Do not say anything out loud. This is only happening inside your head. Here we go. Ready? Nothing out loud. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I heard 3 cards and I heard 2 memories. So I have at least one of you doubled up. Let me tell you what I heard. What I heard was 2 of diamonds, 7 of clubs, queen of diamonds, Miami, Florida, and some kind of a red sports car. 2 of diamonds, 7 of clubs, queen of diamonds, Miami, Florida, red sports car. If I got anything of yours right, sit down. Give them a hand, they did a nice job.